everyone, first at all, my name is Halona. This is Lucy, Hannah, Mom, and this is Mia. Today our group will make lemonade.
To make lemonade, we need a glass, pitcher, hot water, a spoon, a knife, some lemon, ice, and sugar.
First, we pour water into the cup. Then we add sugar and stir until the sugar is full.
Next, we cut the lemon in the half. And we squeeze the lemon into the glass pitcher. Finally, we ask ice to make the lemonade cool.
And then let's pour lemonade into each cup. Cheers. Let's cheers. I think it's delicious and it makes me feel comfortable in the summer. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.